Hello guys, Hostinger now offer a website builder, something that been missing from this affordable provider for a while. Naturally the question arises, is Hostinger website builder any good compared to other? Let's dive in with my Hostinger website builder review. Before we get started, I have left the best discount deal in the description below. Is it easy to use? Unlike most website builder with Hostinger, you are buying a hosting plan that included the builder. This is a great deal while platform like Squarespace sell plan for just one site. Hostinger builder lets you create up to 100 websites with a single affordable plan. However, this means there no try before you buy option. You pay upfront, but there are 30-day money back guarantee, and the plan are some of the most affordable in the industry. We will talk pricing later. After setting up my account, I choose Hostinger website builder. The builder offer our 100 unique looking template. While some start to look similar, many are modern and flashy. With no premier log option, you can use any template. The editor. Now let's look at how to build a website with Hostinger. The editor is simple and no code, quite different from the tool heavy editor like Wix. I appreciate the minimalistic design. Editing elements it easy, just drag them from the tab. Although there are not many elements to choose from, there enough for most websites. I love how you can add image from free libraries or your phone quickly. A future beginner will appreciate is the grid system. It split the design into squares, speeding up the process by eliminating the need to move elements pixel by pixel. While I wish there were more animation and style setting, I am happy with what's available. Pricing. Now for the fun part, pricing. Hostinger is one of the best value providers since you are buying hosting, not just a website builder. It's super cheap. This first plan is under $2 a month, allowing you to build one website with free SSL and weekly backup. Cheaper than Wix or Squarespace. The true value lies in the premier plan. For under $3 a month, you get more storage or bandwidth, limited a free domain, and up to 100 websites. That probably the best deal out there, especially with our discount link below. Hostinger renew rates are also consumer friendly, with price doubling instead of skyrocketing. E-commerce. Hostinger website builder is great for personal project, but how about e-commerce? While it can not compare to Shopify, it's perfect for small businesses, and the simplicity of the builder is a plus of those just waiting to sell a few items online. Managing inventory and editing product is smooth and quick with only basic info required. Performance is crucial, especially for online shop. If your site load slowly, you will lose customer. Google recommended a load time under 2.5 seconds. Hostinger website builder is light and fast with a load time of 1.8 seconds, better than 99% of builder I have reviewed, and within Google recommended time frame. Blogging. Hostinger shine for business site and portfolio, but not as much for blogging. You get basic tool to create a decent blog, but it lacks the advanced feature of platform like WordPress. Plus, you have to build each post as a separate page, which can be tedious.